Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Kuti. Good evening. Welcome to Ingvarta.
Good.
How are you?
Good. I'm very well. How about you?
I'm fine. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
Calling from Hyderabad. How
Oh,
about
that's
you?
nice. Yeah, I'm from Mumbai.
You're nice.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
what do you do?
I do my job.
Okay. All right. And how
Yeah.
was your day
What
today?
about you? Yeah. It went very well.
Oh, that's good. So, what are your plans for New Year?
Uh, as of now, I didn't think.
So, do you usually party?
Yeah. Or maybe.
You do.
Yeah. As pandemic is going on, maybe I don't know things how it will be.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, shall we discuss your assignment for today?
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Okay. So, what are the qualities of a good leader?
Yeah, well, a good leader should possess certain qualities because many of the people dream to live his life. So
Mm-hmm.
he is a people's representative. So he need to possess certain qualities. Like first one would be like communicator. He should be a good communicator because without communication, he can't be a good communicator, like good leader, because a good leader should be a proactive in things or talking to people, because the communication is a key to success, as far as I think, because
Mm-hmm.
without proper communication, his people won't be able to understand their goals or vision. And
Mm-hmm.
next quality would be like empathy. He should be definitely possess the quality of empathy. Means he should be able to understand or feel the problem or feelings from other person's perspective.
Okay.
And next, he should be like influencer. A good
Mm-hmm.
leader should be like influencer because he should be able to influence people, or he should be able to show them the right direction.
Okay.
So he should be a good influencer. And
Mm-hmm.
next, he should be like gratitude. He should
Okay. So
possess,
grateful.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
he should possess the quality of gratitude. Like
Okay.
if uh, whenever he receives any help from other person, he should be feel that gratitude and show like he should express them to
Okay.
that
So he should
person.
be grateful.
Gratitude, yeah. And next, he should have the ability to delegate, like if we get any responsibility or anything to take over any project, then he should be able to deal the things very well. Like he should be able to negotiate or bargain or to set the things on a right track. um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, he should know like how to deal the things. And next,
Okay.
he should be possess the quality of integrity. Means uh, like the quality of being very honest. And he should have good moral values. And
Mm-hmm.
next, he should have like he should possess very confident, because whenever his team or his people felt low, then he need to take up the responsibility, and he
Mm-hmm.
need to build energy in them. And
Okay.
he should possess the quality of commitment on the project. And
Mm-hmm.
he should be able to inspire the people, like he should be like a role model to other people. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and these are the things, like I would like to say the qualities uh, a good leader should possess, because I feel these are the foundation to a good leader. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
for few people it came naturally, and for few people those who want these qualities in them, if they are not there by present in them by birth, then
Mm-hmm.
there is no need to feel bad like that.
Mm-hmm.
By practice and over the time we can build and develop in ourselves. Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's a nice
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kuti, do you think you have more of, what kind of qualities do you have?
For me, like I have the like honesty like that. Like I am like
Mm-hmm.
being having ethics. I feel I have the qualities of ethics like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you think that you're more of a leader or a follower?
Uh, I'm not like that, but sometimes I'm like leader, sometimes like because I'm the ambivert. Like I can say, I can't say I'm extrovert or introvert.
Mm-hmm.
I can say I'm in the middle, like ambivert. Yeah, that's what I
Okay.
feel. But uh, a leader should have definitely possess the quality of extrovert.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. All right. Okay. So, since you're done with your assignment, Kuti, what would you
Yeah.
like to discuss today? Any topic of
Yeah.
your choice?
Yeah, any random questions? Yeah.
Random. Okay. All right. Okay. So, what did you want to be when you were growing up? What was your dream job?
Hello. Hello. Your voice is not audible.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yes, I can.
Yeah. What was your dream job when you were growing up? What did you want to become?
Yeah. I want to be like a writer previously,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I ended up in doing job.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, why did you want to become a writer? Did anybody inspire you, or did you like any author?
No, basically, I do like whenever things come from me naturally, like whenever I see full poetry, like I feel so much interest like that, and I would like to again tell that poem or poetry to other person, like friends like that. So I feel like I have interest in the direction.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
All right. So, what has been some of the turning points in your life, Kuti?
Turning points. Actually, I don't have any turning points. Like,
Mm-hmm.
it's going okay straight direction. Like,
Mm-hmm. So, nothing
yeah,
interesting.
yeah. I feel nothing interesting. Yeah, it's going normal life. I didn't find any like big achievements like that.
Okay, all
Yeah.
right. So, what is your fondest childhood memory? Something that you always remember?
Okay. Childhood memories.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we used to play when I was a kid. I used to play in playgrounds, and I used to come to home late, like with my friends. I used to go to shops and I we used to eat some chocolates like that. All that uh, petty things are my memories from
Okay,
childhood. Yeah.
that's nice. So, do you
Yeah.
like to travel? Are you fond of traveling?
Yeah, yeah. I'm I would like to travel. Yeah. I would like to
Okay.
travel long distance, like yeah, any the places which are related to more about nature, where I can
Mm-hmm.
know more about their plants and their way of live, how the people live in that, like hill stations, and the people who live in forests like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, which is the best trip that you've gone on so far? Where did you go?
Yeah, previous year I have been to Mysore, Ooty, like that. Uh, a set of places. There, the best among them is like Ooty. It's a hill
Mm-hmm.
station. There we can find like big tall trees, which is basically uh, I am connected to the nature. There, like
Mm-hmm.
fog and low temperature, and
Mm-hmm.
their top hill stations. And if we see from the hill to the ground, then we can find all big houses are looking like tiny, and with like
Mm-hmm.
multiple colors, like different colors those houses are painted with. It's like we can't describe that beauty. If
Mm-hmm.
it's very like eye festival, I can say.
Oh,
um,
okay. So it's
yeah,
a pleasure to your eyes.
yeah, pleasure to our eyes. And we
Mm-hmm.
can't forget that kind of beautiful amazing moments. And moreover, we can find many kinds of varieties of teas in there, because it's a
Mm-hmm.
hill station. So basically their cultivation is for teas and chocolates. So
Okay.
I'm very fond of like teas, variety of trees, like masala tea, ginger tea, alum tea,
Mm-hmm.
like that. It's so taste well. I enjoy every sip of that varieties of teas.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
Okay. So, any place or places that you want to visit in the future? Anything that's on your list?
yeah. Uh, I want to visit Kerala, and I also want to revisit Ooty again, because I want to again like memorize those like beauty. What to say? Like memorize that
Mm-hmm.
things I have
Okay.
seen. Yeah,
Okay. All right.
yeah,
That's nice.
yeah,
Okay. So, I guess we're almost done today,
yeah.
Kuti. Any kind of questions, doubts before the feedback?
Um, uh, um, like how can I like improve my fluency? I want to know.
Okay. So, okay, let me tell you first about the mistakes that happened.
Yeah,
All
sure,
right.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So, Kuti, today when we were speaking, there were a couple of mistakes which happened mainly, to your grammar.
yeah, yeah,
So, for example, how to deal the things,
yeah.
right? How to deal the things is a little wrong. You have to say how to deal with the things or how to deal with the problems. So, with
Okay.
word is all
Yeah,
right. Secondly, you have to remember that whenever you're speaking, your subject verb agreement, like the verb is always going to change depending on what kind of subject or what reference you're using. So,
yeah.
build energy in them means it's a little wrong. It builds energy, right?
Okay.
So, or generates energy in them. So, if you're saying
Yeah,
I build something, that's correct. But
yeah.
it's he or she or it, then it is builds. Okay. So,
Okay.
whenever it is he or she, it is going to change. I, you, they, that stays constant.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks
So
for
now
correcting. Yeah,
no problem, no problem.
yeah,
Now it's come naturally is wrong. It comes naturally. So
yeah,
it is going to be singular. It's not going to be there's no s with that. Okay. And
yeah.
whenever you say you're going to a place or you're coming home, you don't say come to home late. Okay. You
Yeah,
will always come home late or I come home early.
yeah,
So you don't need to put to or at or for or anything in the middle. It's just come immediately followed by home.
yeah. Sure.
Okay, so the
Yeah,
number one rule, Kuti, what you can do to improve your languages, especially in
yeah,
the fluency, is correcting your grammar.
yeah,
So that you have to remember that subject verb agreement. What you can do is just go to Google and type this thing, subject verb agreement rules.
yeah.
Okay. Now you'll
Yeah,
get about 10 rules which are very easy to understand. And once you can master this, Kuti, your fluency is going to improve drastically. At least
yeah,
40 to 50% of your English will be corrected.
yeah.
Okay, because
Yeah.
you're speaking pretty well, you've got really good ideas and you're able to
Yeah.
express them. But if you could just do this fine tuning in terms of your grammar,
Yeah.
okay, and pronunciation, it will make a lot of difference. Okay, and
Yeah.
also one more thing, last thing I'd like to
Yeah.
suggest, please make sure you work a little harder on the vocabulary.
Yeah.
Try and experiment with newer words every call.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure. Definitely.
all right, okay, take
Yeah.
care.
Really nice talking to you.
You too.